What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back with another video and I am so excited, you guys. Okay, a couple of things. First, smash that like button, and second, I made a new intro. I'm not gonna put it on this video, but I'm gonna show you guys soon because I still gotta do the outro. Yesterday, that's what I was working on, and I low-key, I was so bad, you guys. I was a little selfish, I will admit. You know, there's something about me, I love to, like, I'm really into abundance, and so every time when I only unbox one thing, it always feels like, OMG, that's not fair. So I saved number 10 for today so that we could open number 10 and number 11 together, and I know that is so bad. I will not do it again, but it's just gonna feel so good, you know, like they say, you know, if it's wrong, I don't want to be right. That's kind of how I feel. So let's see. You guys probably already know what number 10 is if you've been keeping up with other creators, but if not, let's see what number 10 is. Hold on, if I can open it. Okay, open sesame. Okay. Is this black? Oh no, it's a mini foil gel. What in the hold on, let me see. I just put on some cuticle oil. That's not helping. Okay, here we go. I'm sorry, guys, I like to whine about everything. If I don't get my way, then we get to try Madam Glam foil gel. I have a feeling that this is gonna be literally so good. Oh my gosh, I am freaking out. Okay. Well, luckily, we get to open number 11. I know this is so bad. Don't tell Madam Glam, please, because I don't want to get in trouble. But I was so excited. I was like, bruh, number 9, if number 10 is just another mini, but they really threw a curveball. I was expecting another mini, and it was actually a mini, but it was a foil gel. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, if I could open this box, I would be happy. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, hold on, wait. All I saw was something shiny. Literally about to freak. Oh my, it's a rose gold foil. Oh my, don't have a smell. I always smell everything. Oh my gosh, this is what I be talking about. See, I'm glad. I would have died. Literally, I would not have been able to survive. So where is number 12? Oh man, number 12. What could number 12 be, you guys? Number 12. I want to open number 13. Nah. Ugh, number 13 is down here. What if it's another foil? I would freak. Okay. Never would have expected a foil gel in a foil. You guys, I think I'm like literally so obsessed at this point. I don't know how I'm gonna get through these because you guys know I'm super excited about number 14. I know I talk to you guys about this every single time, but this one right here, that's the one that I'm like, I don't know how it can get any better than some of the ones that we have already unboxed, you know? Like, what now if they give us a brush like one of these. Hold on. Oh, let me get this one. If they give us a brush like one of these, I would literally be so happy because Madam Glam has nice brush quality. So out of one of these, hopefully one of them is like, or even like this one that has shorter hair, even if it's something like that, that would be nice. Just because I'm really looking to expand that particular brush collection that I have. Not because, I mean, well, we do have the pudding gel, which is very like nail art, but I'm really excited because after 15, whereas 16 is up here, but then we get to open the last long box, which I'm really excited about that. That's 17. Number 18. Okay, 18, 19, where's 19, and then 20. Oh, and then 21. Okay, I need to put this away. I try not to look at it too long because it's so overwhelming in a good way. So anyways, you guys, we got to unbox the foil gel and the freaking rose gold foil, which I do have a rose gold foil, but not like that type of foil. I have like literal foil. So that is so exciting. I should show you guys my new intro, but I really don't want to show you guys because I'm so excited about it. So I'm about to go work on the outro. We already did day 10 and day 11, so now we got to do day 12. I'm so excited. I'm trying to think if I have anything to tell you guys. I have to take these beautiful nails off soon. I finally posted over on Instagram, so go and spam my Insta. And all the way at the end of the video, I'm usually going to be leaving one of those little cues or whatever. So if you see this cue, you're still watching this video, I need you to drop a set of nails down in the comment section so that I know that you are eligible to win a prize and you will earn tickets for my giveaway. I am still like working, you guys, on updating my website and everything. Yesterday I got so busy doing the intro and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, have you guys went and checked out this kit? I think it's on Born Pretty has their own website, so that's one thing I love about them. And then you can always save 10%. And Madam Glam, you can always save 30%, so you can go and check out my discount codes on my blog site at www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. And anyways, I guess I'm gonna see you guys soon. I had to think of, I know I'm taking these nails off. I finally posted a picture, so I'm gonna be removing them. At least I'll be able to remove them and I won't feel that bad. But I didn't take any particular pictures of them. I'm so obsessed with them. It's just like, girlfriend, they are so cute, and I got a really good picture of them, so I felt very accomplished. But I still need to know if you guys like the blue ones better or the yellow. It's so hard for me to decide. Oh, they're so cute. All right, well, I love you guys so much, and I will be dropping a new upload later, and I will finally be posting the how-to tutorial for how to remove these nail extensions in a healthy way, and also very fast, efficient, and simple. And also, yeah, I know I was supposed to do that yesterday, but I was working on my intro, which I already told you guys. So I think that's all the updates. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I'm gonna go check the comments on the video, so be sure to drop them comments down below. And if you didn't see my last video that I did, the Advent unboxing, what was that, day 9? It's a longer video. I went into detail about the giveaway on that video, so if you haven't seen it, you should go watch it. For like, we literally went through the whole website, and you guys got to see a couple of the membership homepages that are not open to the public and things like that. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.